Okay, we are here today at our new build. We're in the master bathroom and we are about to be doing some tile work today in the shower. And so I have these guys here with me. This is Shawn from S&J Flooring. He's our tile subcontractor. And this is Trey from Laticrete. Yeah. And they're gonna just kind of help explain and walk through what we're doing today. And I'm really excited about this because as you guys know, I'm big on preventing mold because of my history and the things that I've been through in the past. And so there's some really cool new products and processes that I'm excited to share about, and not necessarily new, but new to me. So anyway, if you guys want to kind of explain a little bit about that, that'd be awesome.
So I'm Trey with Laticrete, and today we are prepping the shower with Hydroband 1. It's our new waterproof membrane. It actually has microban built into it to inhibit mold and mildew growth. We actually have an array of products that have microban built into them that, inhibit the mold and mildew growth, which we all know showers being a wet environment, it's a perfect environment for that growth.
Yes, so that's a huge problem area for mold growth, for sure.
In Laticrete, we also make Stone Tech cleaners and sealers that have the microban built in, so while you're cleaning and maintaining the shower.
Yeah.
To prevent that.
Yeah, cool. And one thing that I learned about too, and Shawn's kind of educated me on, is that there's kind of some different grouts as well that you could put on to help prevent the mold from growing. And I didn't realize really that water could actually seep down through the grout. I guess I didn't really know that and get underneath. And so, yeah, I mean,
especially with cementatious grouts. So cementatious grouts are porous. Even the best cementatious grouts, like ours, has a really low perm rating. You're only going to get 3 or 4% of moisture through it, but that's still moisture that can get through the system. But we also have Spectralock 1, which is our pre-mix, and it has an even lower perm rating.
Yeah.
And then it doesn't require sealing. And then epoxy grout has the lowest, so it's going to have the least amount of moisture getting through. It's not going to stain.
Yeah. And which one are we using in ours?
The pre-mix Spectralock 1.
Pre-mix Spectralock.
And the lower VOCs.
Yeah. Yes, because it has lower VOCs, which I'm obviously also concerned about. So I'm really excited about that too, just that's going to help protect from the surface. Spectralock
1 actually has epoxy performance in a premix grout, which is, it's a one of a kind on the market.
Yeah, and isn't it like way easier to work with than typical epoxy grout?
Super easy to install, super easy to maintain. You don't ever have to seal it.
Love that. That's great. Yeah.
It's actually rated to be used in pools.
Yeah, you can use it in submerged applications, exterior.
The lights are blinking a little bit. We're getting ready to have some storms here, so I keep being like, wait, what is that? Yeah, cool. Anything else that you guys want to share that you feel important before we kind of show the process going on?
I just want to say, Laticrete, we make a wide array of products. Any way you want to do a shower, we make a product for it, and a lot of them have the microban built in, to inhibit that mold growth. And
bacteria as well, right? Bacteria and viruses and microbes.
Yeah. We actually even sell a cleaner, Stone Tech mold and mildew remover. So if you do happen to get some mold and mildew, it'll kill it.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. That's great. So yeah, these the guys are here today working on our shower. So I will show you that in just a second. Okay, so here we are in the shower, and you can see that it's the product is green that they're putting on, and that again is called Laticrete
Hydroband 1.
Hydroband 1.
Made it green for a specific reason. As you can see, in new construction, while we're in the tile phase, a lot of times the lights aren't installed yet.
Yeah.
So the high-vis green, helps the installer see.
True.
And as well as you can draw your layout lines and everything on it.
Yeah.
It just gives a really good visual.
Yeah, for sure. That makes a lot of sense.
And because marking the layout lines on the normal paper, it's hard to see. It's hard to see it.
They got our paper is kind of, our sheet brand's kind of a darker green. But you almost have to use a Sharpie, you know.
Gotcha.
This you can just mark on with a pencil.
Yeah.
See your layout lines, everything really well.
So Shawn, how is this different than, you know, kind of some of the other products out there or what you've done in the past?
This product here, you save a whole step. So if you're using a sheet membrane like most other companies have you do, or if you're doing, you have to, you trowel it all on the wall like we're doing already with this product.
Yeah.
And then you have to put your sheet membrane on top of that you already troweled out. And then work all the air out of it. So you save quite a bit of time. Right. And the cost is relatively the same.
Okay.
So I think between the wall systems that we look at, you're saving a difference of probably $25 using the sheet membrane versus doing the Hydroband one. Yeah. Which saves time. You know, in this size of room, doing sheet membrane, it's probably going to save 3 hours. Wow. On this job, I would say.
Yeah.
Versus doing the sheet membrane, about 3 hours difference, I would say.
And another really unique thing is the sheet membrane. You have to let the thin set cure, you know, before you can flow test or start setting tile. With this product, it's going to dry in 1 to 3 hours, and then you're ready to go. Or we have a product called Instant Cure. You mix this powder with 8 ounces of water. You can spray it, and it's good to go in 10 minutes. Yeah. Wow. That's awesome. So this is full waterproofing here. Just the tile is going to go right on top of that, is my understanding. That's correct. And it's also a crack isolation membrane, whereas there's not a sheet membrane on the market that is a crack isolation membrane as well. So this is going to, you know, prevent those in-plane cracks that transfer through the tile. Okay, awesome. And then if you don't mind, show me kind of the drain you guys were showing me that we're going to use. So this is our new bonding flange drain. I'm super excited about this. This has been in the works for about 2 or 3 years now. This is the box. Obviously, I've taken this one out. So yours is a tileable grate. You can adjust it with these 4 screws, and then you'll tile in here, so you won't even be able to see. It'll look just like this. The tile will be right on top, with just like a little area opening for the water to drain. Right, so this is a spacer, you pull that out, and the water actually drains right through here. Okay. Super slick, unique finish, you know. That's awesome. Kind of makes the drain go away. Right? Yeah. I think that's going to look so good. I cannot wait to see it done. And then the base over here, is that what goes in the bottom of the shower? Yes, ma'am. So this is our modular shower pan system. They come in 4-piece. And the reason they come 4-piece is that makes it a lot easier to install. So, you know, some of our competitors, it's one solid piece, and it's really hard to spread the adhesive. Gotcha. And you've got this big 4 foot by 4 foot piece. So these are small. You can spread the thin set on them and stick them. And this is a high density foam that's actually pressed and molded. So it gives you a really dense pan. It's coated with our Hydroband that has the microband built in, like we talked about earlier. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Seems like a great system. Absolutely. I'm really excited and thankful for this, for sure. Gives me peace of mind. For sure. All right. Well, I'm going to let these guys work. Anything else, Shawn, that we missed that you want to share?
No. And then also, Trey, you might want to talk about the adhesive corners maybe a little bit. Oh, yeah. Because that's a big problem with the other competitors is the corner. With thin set.
So we actually have another new product. This is our peel and stick membrane. These are the inside corners. This is the banding. We also have nail hole covers, you know, that's for Hydroband board, pipe seals, and these inside corners and the banding. So with our competitors, and we also make one too that's a thin set applied, which is fine, but you have to let the thin set cure, you know, before it's ready. This is a peel and stick. It's already got the adhesive built in with dual liner backing, so you can peel off one side at a time and
Okay.
it folds in half. And it gives you that perfect crease where you need it, so you know
Wow.
you're getting the right coverage up the wall
Yeah.
and down on the pan.
Just so important to not have any, openings, right?
For sure. And with other banding, it doesn't fold in half perfectly like that.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta kind of like try to crease it with your hands. This is just
Gotcha.
effortlessly folds perfectly in half. And then you let this set for 10 minutes after it's applied, roll it on, some pressure sensitive glue, and you're good to go.
Okay.
So
Wow.
it's another
Love it.
revolutionary product that we just came out with at the end of the year.
Seems like Laticrete is big on like innovation.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that's really cool. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
So for us as the homeowners, basically this all just means that we're getting peace of mind because our shower is safer.
Right. Not going to leak, not going to grow mold.
Yeah, exactly. So love that. Thankful for that. So,
And we make the products to keep it clean and maintained for years to come.
well, yeah. So like even after you're done, like when we take over, then we have those products to use as well. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.